Earlier today, I filmed a short on this napkin, which is now drying, is either Thanksgiving or Easter cactus seeds. I'm going to insert that short here so you can see the difference between the dry napkin as well as the wet, because you will see the gel-like substance on the napkin. So let me insert that here. So here's a close-up of the seeds. And then there's a paper clip for comparison to the size of the seeds. So once the napkin is completely dried, I did have one seed pod that was reddish in color, so that's what this is. Here's the seeds, and hopefully the next image that I will film next will be the container that I'm going to use as my pot and greenhouse. So here's all the seeds that I was able to get off of the napkin. If I were to do this again, I would not try to dry it on a napkin, because once it dried, it was really hard to get it off. And so I had to use my fingernail to scrape it off. So the container that I'm going to use used to be some kind of food container. I don't know exactly what we bought that was in here, but you can see I have seed starter mix in here, filled it up with water. So change of plans. I decided to go ahead and sow the seeds today, which is March 19, 2026, because I kept bumping the table. The soil does look very damp, but if you look really carefully, can you see the seeds? It's kind of like that reddish brown color. So those are all the seeds. Pretty neat. So I'm going to put the lid on this, and I guess we will see how long it takes for these seeds to sprout, if they do. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. This isn't really a plant channel, even though I am showing you my plants and seeds. It's just sort of miscellaneous things that's happening in my life that I just want to upload and share on this channel, which is not on my main channel, which is my journaling channel. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.